Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Check your Android version and router model so you know which settings apply. Then reboot both devices and wait 30 seconds to clear transient errors. Turn off battery saver and data saver because they throttle Wi-Fi. Also temporarily disable VPN or security apps that can interfere. Once done, open Wi-Fi settings, forget the problematic network, and prepare to re-add it with correct password and security type. Now you move into detailed execution of network settings. If your phone shows IP conflicts, assign a static IP within your subnet, or, conversely, revert to DHCP to let the router manage addresses. Either approach resolves collisions. Switch bands if needed, use 4 GHz for better range and 5 GHz for lower congestion and higher throughput. Finally, access your router to change the channel or enable auto channel selection to reduce interference from neighbors and to finish by applying system and firmware updates because patches fix compatibility bugs, update carrier and system apps, and clear the Wi-Fi service cache to remove stale configs. If problems persist, perform a network settings reset. Note this erases saved network so backup passwords first, then reconnect. If that still fails, test the same network with another phone or laptop to determine whether the problem is the router or your Android device. If the router is at fault, rebooting or factory resetting it is the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.